So the doggy down there, hello puppy, and I are away this week. I had to be in Spa in Belgium for the weekend. Had some time driving up from Bordeaux. It's a long way, so looked on the map and Luxembourg was pretty much on the way. It was quite a nice place. I stopped at a place called Nevers, which is, for those of you who know that we're motorsport based, it's just next to Manicourt, where they used to have the French Formula 1. And so yeah, stopped there. Lovely air on the river, really nice. About 14 euros a night. Not cheap, but it had electric and water and waste and everything you need, so it was worth the stop. Then from Manicourt we came here to Luxembourg. This is, I'm going to say Camping Cockslinger because I can't pronounce it. It's something in German that starts with a K, and being British, everything is around toilet humour. So there we go, Camping Cockslinger or Cockswinger or whatever. I will find the correct name and pop it down below. But this is in Luxembourg. It's beautiful. I'll give you a tour in a minute around here. It's a beautiful campsite. Everybody is along like this. Normally you'd be on the grass, but it's flooded. So obviously we're staying on the hard. There's no doubt you can see it's really busy. I have to be honest, much busier than I expected. I booked the morning I came here and got the last slot. I just assumed at this time of year it would be empty. Up here we've got the forest. Maybe in the background you can hear it, but over there, just the other side of the tree, is Luxembourg Airport. This place is 4 kilometres from the centre of Luxembourg. It's utterly amazing. Location wise, it's a couple of minutes off the A3 motorway, so it's really easy to get to. Fuel's cheap here. I should be going to the world's largest Shell petrol station tomorrow before I head off. And it's the largest fuel station in Europe as well. Obviously I'm a bit of a fat bastard, so there's no way I'm running around campsites doing 2-minute tours or whatever. But this is a wander around the campsite with the pup, and it's a much more leisurely approach, I think. And the weather's lovely. Why not take a little wander around, and I'll show you around all the facilities. As you can see, some of the pitches aren't quite as sodden as we are, so people can park on them and use them. They're good sized pitches. They're 10 metres by 10 metres. They've got water fountains at the end of every run. Really good, really impressive. As you can see, there's kind of over there, people are starting to go on the grass again now. At the back of those trees there's a really huge kids playground, if that's your bag. And this is my fun thing. There's a beautiful old Citroen just arrived on the trailer. It's absolutely wonderful, beautifully restored, beautiful colours. What a lovely vintage car. Isn't she lovely? An absolute dream. The dedication it takes to restore and keep something in that condition is amazing. It's an absolutely beautiful car. Over here is the motorhome service area. It's pretty big. Services on both sides, so you can get 2 in at once, and fill up the water, dump the tanks, do all they need to do, and then head on out this way. Dog and I are off to the bins. She knows the way because obviously it's a dog, so she's had a poo. It's good she knows she's not allowed in here. God knows what she'd pick up if she was, because she's a dog, and of course she's cute, but she'll eat anything. We're heading up to the main facilities. You can see there's washing up areas, there's little benches and stuff. This is the camping area. Oops. There's a bar and a restaurant, which is very nice. Yeah. All this has just been refurbished, literally just refurbished. You'll see there's barrier tape on the at the end because they were putting new tiles on this morning. Toilets here are spick and span, very clean, and the building's heated. And when you get into the showers, there's plenty of them. They've got 2 buildings this size, but even the floors are heated. Yeah, so we're only 4 k's right from the very centre of Luxembourg, and as I say, you know, we could be in the middle of anywhere. We've got woods and forests that are about 2 minutes walk away, so the dog and I have been having great fun over the last few days, just wandering around those. Public transport in Luxembourg, amazing. It's all free. Get on the bus, go where you want, pay nothing. Absolutely marvellous. Gotta love that. I'm blown away. I'm coming back because got to see it again. There's loads to see. Haven't even scratched the surface yet. So it's definitely somewhere to put on your travel list and come take a look. It's marvellous. Now I'm going back to cooking my dinner. On go the peas. I mean, let's be honest. You have to have peas with everything, don't you? And sadly, I'm a bit of a salt lover, so there's probably more salt that went in there than should do. But that's just the way it is. It won't be Chinese. It'll be Japanese. We'll be having teriyaki marinade with probably some noodles. Boil up the peas, throw the noodles in, see what we end up with. So this is what we're having, some kind of noodly thing, picked up in France, and it says in French, throw them into boiling water for 4 minutes. So that's exactly what we'll do. There we go, noodlies thrown into boiling water, so probably for about 4 minutes. We'll see what they come out like. Can't be bad, can it? It's noodles. What could possibly go wrong? Come on, chaps. Dog and I are hungry. Although if she thinks she's getting any of this, she's sorely mistaken. Pop that off. Drain it off. If you don't have one of these little collapsible colanders, these silicone things, you really should get one. They take up no space whatsoever. Absolutely great. Store so many things. Pop that back in. Running out of hands here. Move my high gourmet sausages. Pop a bit of teriyaki in. Pop it back on, fry it off, and this will be lovely in about 2 minutes time. Obviously I can't go without pepper, goes without saying, got to have some seasoning. Not exactly gourmet, but it's bloody delish. Teriyaki, peas and noodles. Not bad, eh? Look at that, even some left for the dog. Bon appetit! The buses into Luxembourg City are all free. Public transport in Luxembourg is free. Who wouldn't like that? If you've never been here, come to Luxembourg. It's really worth it. It's the first time I've done anything other than drive through Luxembourg, generally at speed. And the only thing I've ever done in Luxembourg before is stop for fuel because it's cheap. So I've had a great week and off to shoot pictures of cars now, turning hydrocarbons into noise. So in a minute you'll see Spa. This is Shell at Belgium in Luxembourg. I've just arrived and it is the largest Shell petrol station in the world, but also the largest petrol station in Europe. So let's go and get some diesel, not petrol. And the dog's going mad because she wants to go out. Here we are. And here's the dog somewhere. There she is. In a park up in Stavelot in Belgium. I would normally sleep at the circuit, and in fact I'm going to, but because we've got the dog, I wanted to just get out and give her somewhere to run, get some exercise. So we're going to have a bit of a walk here, and you may be able to hear the river in the background, and we'll just walk over and show you that. It's rushing down because there's been so much rain coming off the mountains, Right. As you can see, it's on with a fair old crack there. So we're going to go and have a walk along the river, find somehow to do that, then cook some dinner, and then we'll probably head back to the circuit. So I'll show you that when you get there. It's a very, very uninteresting car park, but there's not really any green space for the dog. So here she can have a wander, get her paws wet, and just chill out. Welcome to very sunny Spa-Francorchamps. The dog is having her breakfast. Slept well. This is the media car park where we moved to. It's top of the hill, quite big, very empty. It will be absolutely heaving very soon. But it's 6:30 in the morning, so just about the right time to take the dog for a walk before it gets too busy. We'll catch up in a minute. So weather's always variable here. Sometimes you get weather like this and it's beautiful. The sun is shining, it looks like it's going to be a marvellous day, and then within moments it'll be snowing. The joys of the Eiffel Mountains, I guess. It's but we'll start off with a beautiful sunny day. Let's see, where's the puppy? There she is, coming to join us. Let's take a walk down towards the TV compound, I guess. And yeah, just enjoy the fact that it's quiet, because it won't be for long. Everywhere you look around here, there's running water. You can see, even in the car park, this little stream running down here, runs all the way down. The corners of the circuits are named after the rivers, Eau Rouge, Blanc. It's Spa, so it's known for fizzy spring water, and so every now and then too much rain comes down the mountain and everything floods, but I think we're all right today. And as usual, I can't share video of the race meeting with you, otherwise the ACO, who are the event organisers and promoters, will slap me with a €15,000 rights fee, which is probably a little bit excessive for a YouTube video that nobody's going to watch anyway. So I can share the stills with you. So here's a few that we took. I'll leave a link where they all are. Feel free to dive in and take a look. The company I work for puts a whole bunch out there for free. Not all of them, obviously, but you can have a look around and get a feel for it. So sit back, enjoy. Here's a couple of holiday snaps from Spa-Francorchamps.